Yes, students. Now all of you see here, chapter number 6, factorization. We are going to start exercise 6C from question number 11. Very simple question. Again, same topic, same heading. Factorization you have to solve. So how? Actually, if you observe here, 4 terms are there. And when in front of you 4 terms are there, in that case, we will make groups. We will make groups. So how? Like this. These two groups, or we can write down these two groups like this way. Let's check one time now. If I take from these two groups common, if I take, what is the common term? B only. If you observe here, B is the common term. And if I take common B, then we can say here remaining AB and here remaining C square. If I take common, if I take common B, then here remaining AB and here remaining C square. Now from these two terms, which term, anyone know which term will take common? You are thinking sir nothing common. अगर कोई भी common नहीं जा रहा है, that means one is the common factors. Always one take and minus also. Because always remember अगर दो term के बीच पे first वाला term में minus हो जाए ना, then always you have to take common minus. And if I take common minus, then here remaining AB and here remaining minus C square. Because again I am reminding you, from plus if I take common minus, then 1 minus remaining. And just check it out, these two terms are same. That means we are going in straight correct process. Okay, na? Now from these two binomial, one binomial you have to write down in one bracket, and whatever other remaining terms are there, that you have to write down in another bracket, b minus 1, and that is your complete answer. Okay, very simple question. Yes or no? Very simple. Okay, now we'll move next question. Okay, let's see. Now next question, let's see. Question number 12. 2b square plus 8ab plus 4ac plus bc. This is your question. Yes. Very simple question. Question 12. 2b square plus 8ab plus 4ac plus 4bc only. Question number 11 I will tell you afterwards, after some time. Just wait. See here. Now in this question again same thing. We will make group because all the questions are same process. And I try to understand. Again make groups. So we can make groups like this one also. If you want, then देखो हमारे पास 4 numbers है, आप कैसे भी ग्रुप बना सकते हो, है ना? So that's why if I take common like this way, तो हम सबसे पहले ग्रुप बनाएं किसका? We will make group like this and this, first and fourth, and after that this and this, second and third. How like this? 2b square plus bc. First and fourth term we have to write down first of all, and second and third term we have to write down afterwards like this. 8ab plus 4ac. Then now two numbers. From these two number we will take common. We will take common. So क्या common जाएगा? b. So here remaining 2b plus c, है ना? If I take common b, then here remaining 2 and b also. And if from this term if I take common b, then here c remaining. Similar way we will take common from here also. What is the common term? Here not 8, this is 4. We'll take common 4, okay? So if I take common 4, a also. A is also common term. So if I take common 4a, then here remaining 2b and here remaining c only, c. Now all of you check it out properly. In this both terms are same or not? Binomials are same. अगर वो same होगा, so similar way from these two binomial, I will write down one binomial, and whatever another remaining terms are there, बाहर जो terms पड़े उसको एक bracket के अंदर डाल लो, like this b plus 4a, and that is your complete answer. Okay, that is your complete answer. Understood? Very simple. Yes or no? Yes, students, give your response. Very simple. Really, these questions are very, very simple. And question number 11 also, if you observe that same question number 5, if you remember, जो question number 5 में करे थे ना, same process we are done in this question number 5 also. Sorry, in question number 11 also. Okay. Now we will move next question. Let's see. Okay. Now question number 13. So in question number 13, that is 6 p.m. plus 9 MQ plus 8 PN plus 12 QN. Okay. Now actually student, this is not PM, this is not Prime Minister, and this is not. Anyone know what is the full form of PM? Not Prime Minister, another. Yes, anyone? Anyone know what is the full form of PM? Except Prime Minister, another. Yes, time only, but that 1 PM, 2 PM, that what is the full form that PM? Anyone? Yes, correct answer. Post meridian. Very good. Okay, now come in this question. Obviously, we have to solve this question properly. Actually, again, similar way, we'll take common only. So let's see. Here some common term is there. Yes, here M also, here also M. So we will make this group like this only. 6 PM. So one thing we have to do now, first of all, make groups. And from this first group, we will take common which one? 3. Yes, because we know 3 2s are 6 and here 3 3s are 9. That's why we will take common 3 and M also. So from this 2 term, if I take common 3M, then here remaining 2P, not 2P, that is 2P. 2P plus this is 3Q because M to already taken common. And afterwards, similar way, this from this 2 term, 8Pn and 12Qn, we will take common 4 because we know 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So we will take common 4. 4n, n also. So if I take common 4n, then here remaining 2p plus 3q. Now all of you check it here properly. 2p plus 3q, 2p plus 3q. That means your answer is correct. Now all of you see here, from this two binomial, just wait one time. Okay. From these two binomial, I will take one binomial and whatever again remaining terms are outside, that I have to close in another bracket. But this is your complete answer. This much only. Understood? Very simple. So still question number 13 we are completed. And question number 14 and question number 15 also just same. Okay. Changes bilkul nahi hai. Just same questions. Now we will move our next exercise because these questions are just very, very easy. Yes or no? Very easy, na? What happened? Sir, why you make group of first term and third term? According to that questions, जिसमें आपको easily common ले सके, आप choose करो इस तरीके से जिसमें आपको easily common आप दिख जाए ना, we can easily take common. Okay? So you have to, whenever you have to solve this type of questions more and more, so in that time you have some ideas. आपको idea हो जाएगा which term we will make group, first or third, second or fourth, like this way. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move next question. Not next question. Exercise. Next exercise. Exercise 6D. Okay. Okay. So all of you give heading exercise 6D. Virat, I came first in live class. Why you came first live class? Today you are new student. Virat? No, na? So no issue. From now only exercise, from exercise 6D, you have to check properly each and every question and not send any messages in your doubt chat box. Okay? All of you be focused here. Divyanshu, check it here. Very good. Very good. If you solve this full exercise, that is very good. You have to solve like this way only. Okay? Now exercise 6D. First question of question number A. In this question says, which are perfect trinomial squares? Very important question. All of you be focused. Which are the perfect trinomial squares? Yes or no? Write down yes or no. So first question in front of you, a square plus 10a plus 16. Okay. So how we will understand this is a perfect trinomial square or not? कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? Let's see. First of all, this is your first term, this is your second term, and this is your third term. So what we have to do? सबसे पहले आपको देखना पड़ेगा वो जो फर्स्ट टर्म है ना, that first term is a perfect square or not? Yes, obviously we can say this is the a square, we can write down. Now come in third term. Now tell me students, this 16 is a perfect square? Yes, we can say 16 is a perfect square of 4 only. Yes. Now this middle term can we write in the form of 2ab? एक बार check कर लेते हैं side में ना. So 2 into a is equals to how many? A. So put it here, and b is equals to 4. So when you multiply this all the factors, 2 multiply a multiply 4, 8a will come. But in your question, that is 10a is given. That means we can say this is not a perfect trinomial square. अगर suppose आपके पास ये 10a आ जाता, that means we can say this is a perfect trinomial square. Understood? Very simple. Again I am telling you another question. Obviously in that question you understand. Okay, so all of you see here, this is not a perfect trinomial square, and in this way only you have to just check each and every question. Understood? Okay, so write down here no. यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? 2 into a into 4. And if you multiply that, 8a will come. This is 10a is not coming. That's why no answer. Okay, I'm taking another question. All of you be focused. Okay, लिखने का importance नहीं है अभी. Just all of you focus in this question only. b square plus 14b minus 49. Actually फर्स्ट का जो आपका 1 to 4 क्वेश्चन है उसमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंज रूल्स है, उस रूल को भी आपको कंसीडर करके क्वेश्चंस करना है. सी हाउ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक b square is any term square. Yes, b का स्क्वायर ओनली. Now 49, yes, this is also square of 7, but here one problem is coming. जो भी आपका थर्ड टर्म होता है ना, बिफोर थर्ड टर्म यू कांट राइट डाउन माइनस. बिफोर थर्ड टर्म यू कांट राइट डाउन माइनस. अगर सपोज आपके सामने माइनस आ गया, दैट मीन्स योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. सो फर्स्ट रूल वी विल चेक दिस वन. सेकेंड रूल, बिफोर फर्स्ट टर्म या बिफोर थर्ड टर्म वी कांट राइट डाउन माइनस. बिफोर सेकेंड टर्म वी कैन राइट डाउन इजिली. इसका सामने माइनस प्लस आ सकता है, बट बिफोर थर्ड टर्म एंड बिफोर फर्स्ट टर्म वी कांट राइट डाउन माइनस. अगर माइनस आ जाए, दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट योर ट्राइनोमियल स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज योर ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नो, आंसर विल बी नो, बिकॉज यहाँ पे माइनस है. एंड दिस इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला क्या होता है हमारे पास? फॉर्मूला होता है a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. दिस इज वन फॉर्मूला. And another formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? अब यहाँ पे थोड़ी माइनस आ रहा है, कहीं आ रहा है क्या? नहीं आ रहा है ना. That's why we can say this is a wrong answer. Understood all of you? Very simple. What, sir? Why there 4 in the last? Because we will find out this 16. This 16 is the which number square? Which number square? 4 का square. That's why we have to find out the value of a and b. है ना, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? The value of a and the value of b. That's why we are written here 4. Okay, understood? Okay. Now we will move next question. Let's see. Just wait. Now next question. Now question number third. X square minus 5x plus 4. Let's see this question. All of you be concentrate. First of all, x square. In which number square? X का. 4. Which number square? and this in between this number. Let's see. This number we can we write down in the form of 2ab? Let's see, 2 into a is equals to x, write down. B is equals to 2, write down. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4x is coming. That's why this is no. Answer will be wrong. Understood? Answer will be wrong. क्या आना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Minus 4x. But here this is written minus 5x. That's why the answer will be no. Again no. That means continuous. In these three questions, the answer will be coming no. Okay? Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Next question, question of fourth. X square plus 10x plus 25. Okay, let's see. First of all, x square in which number square? That is x square only. We can consider a is equals to x. Understood? Now, come in last third term, 25, 5 square, very good. And this middle term, all of you see here properly. This middle term we can write down 2 into a. A is equals to x and b is equals to 5. Yes, this is correct answer, 10x. This is your 100% correct answer. Okay, understood? Very simple question. So we can write down this is 10x, or tell me students one thing, 2 into a into b. This is perfect square we know, but which number perfect square? We can write down x plus 5 ka whole square. Yes, and if we want to write down in the factor form, so we can write down x plus 5 and x plus 5. Yes or no? That is the correct. ठीक है ना? इतना आपको लिखने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है yes or no. We can say yes. That is the correct. Okay? Understood all of you? Thumbs up one time if you understood properly. Yes, very good. What your camera off? Akshat, just check your camera properly because maybe your network issue is there. Okay? Now we'll move next question. Let's see here. So now next question, that all the questions are now similar type only. Okay? So question number 4 completed. Now question number 5. Okay, tell me. I'm writing a question. All of you tell me what is the answer of this question. C square minus 2cd minus d square. And tell me why it is yes and why it is false. No. Why? Okay. Let's see. No. Very good. Very good. But why? Give me answers why. Yes, obviously you understood. I think all of you know. Because यहाँ पे तो minus आ सकता है. Very good. इसमें कोई issues नहीं है. But before third term, here should not be minus. Always plus. That's why we can say this is no. Now we'll move question number 6. Let's see. Question number 6. 81a square minus 72ab plus 16b square. Let's see here. So students, first of all, again just check it out. This is which number square? Not 9. Which one? 9a square. 9a ka whole square. है ना? If you write down only 9, then should be answer will be wrong. So 9a square. And this one 4b ka whole square. We can write down 4b ka whole square. Na? Now after that, this third middle term we will break down like this way. Minus 2 into a means 9a, b means 4b. Now all of you multiply them. Hai na? 2 9 ja 18, 18 4 ja 72. Yes, ab. Yes, correct. That means we can say this is 100% yes. Write down all of you. Yes, 9a minus 4b ka whole square. Done. Okay. Very interesting questions. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 blacks full. है ना? Okay, now come here. Question number 7. Now in question number 7, that is 36 d square plus 13 dx plus x square. This is your question. Okay, let's see. All of you try to solve this question. Yes, Apurva, solve and tell me what is the answer of this question. No. Already given answer, no. Let's see, no or yes. Okay. So try to solve this question. First of all, 36. This is a 6d square. And come in last term, that is x square only. And this middle term, we can break like this. 2 into 6d into x. And if you multiply this one, 2 6 are 12 dx. यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? 12 dx. But here coming 13 dx. That's why we can say this is no. Answer will be no. Okay, understood? Very simple. Okay. मतलब इसमें हमारे पास तीन चीज देखना पड़ रहा है. First is we'll check minus in third before third term minus should be not there है ना, वहां पे नहीं होना चाहिए. And this middle term है ना, middle term आपका whenever you have to multiply 2 into a into b, that should be correct answer. Okay, otherwise no we can say. Okay, very good. Now we'll move next question. How many question remaining? Let's see. Question number 7 completed. So only 4 questions are remaining. Let's see. Question number 8. So in question number 8, 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is there. Okay. 4x square plus question मतलब लिखने के पहले आंसर आ गया आप लोगों का. Very good. Let's see. 4x square means we can write down 2x का whole square. And 1 we can write down plus 1 का whole square. And this in between 2 into 2x into 1 we can say. And just check it out. 2 to the 4, 4x coming. That means yes, yes. Write down all of you. This is yes. And if you want to write down like this form, this is also correct. No issue. This is your perfect trinomial square. And this is your perfect trinomial square. Understood all of you? Okay. Now we'll move. Dhruv, why you write down again and again? One time write down only, no? Yes. So just write, if you want to write down yes 2 times, so write down yes square only. And this is mathematics subject, so write down yes square. 2 बार लिखने का मन कर रहा है. Now we'll move next question, question number 9. That is 49m square plus 140mn plus 100m square. Okay. Let's see, all of you try to solve this question. Tell me answer. 49m square plus 140mn plus 100n square. Yes. Question number 9. Yes. Ronil Chaudhary give an answer. All of you give your answer. Dharmender, Dheeraj, Devangsh, Bhavishya, Vitu, Daksh, Bhavesh, Anuj, Ayush. Okay. Let's see, correct or not. So we can say here 49m square. 7m square, yes. Write down first of all 7m square. And come last, this is 10m square. This is also correct. Now in between this number, we can write down in the form of 2 into a into b. Now, just first of all check it out now one time, this multiplication. 2 into 7, 14, and 14 into 10, that is to 140 mn we can say. So that means we can say this is your 100% correct answer. 7m plus 10m ka whole square. That is yes. Done. Okay. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Question number 10. Okay. So in question number 10 that is given 16b square minus 20by and plus 25y square. This is your question. Okay, this is the last question for today. And another question, that question number 11 that you have to solve yourself at home. Okay, na? So see here, again similar way, this is plus, okay, correct answer. Now see, check one time this middle term. How? First of all, find out 16b square, which number square? Which number square? 4b ka whole square. And 25y square? 5y का होल स्क्वायर. Okay, now let's see one time. Minus 2 into a into b. So we can check one time. 2 4 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. Yes, wrong. That is 100% false. No. All the answers. Write down all of you. No. क्योंकि आपके इसका आंसर आ ही नहीं रहे. Here 2 4 ja 8 and 8 5 ja 40 will come. But here that is 20 is given. So obviously इनको आते नहीं होंगे, है ना? गलत दे दिया होगा. गलत नहीं दिया. This is your wrong answer. Obviously no. Yes, Nitin. No. बस एक बार ही लिख दो. Yes, Aditya Meena. That is no number of. Yes.